Stop wasting money on expensive products that promise miracles but leave your hair feeling weak, dry, and falling out. What if the secret to thicker, fuller hair isn't something you buy, it's something you make? If you're tired of shedding, thinning edges, and slow growth, this powerful DIY Hair Revival Serum may be exactly what your scalp needs. Made with a unique blend of herbs and nourishing oils, it's designed to support healthier, stronger looking hair right from the roots. And today, I'll show you exactly how to make it. So without further ado, let's get right into this video.
1, 2, 3.
Here I have a pan, and as the first ingredient, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger powder is a popular ingredient in natural hair care because it helps support a healthy scalp environment. Rather than acting as a direct cure for hair loss, it is valued for the way it helps maintain scalp health and support hair follicles. My second ingredient is cinnamon powder, which I'm adding 1 teaspoon as well. Cinnamon is often included in natural hair care recipes because of its beneficial plant compounds, and it may also help improve scalp vitality and contribute to a healthier environment for hair growth. For my third ingredient, I will be adding green tea to the pan. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and beneficial plant compounds that help support scalp health. It's commonly used in hair care because it may help stimulate scalp circulation while helping to maintain a healthier environment for your scalp follicles. Cloves will be my fourth ingredient, and they provide significant health benefits, primarily to eugenol, a potent active compound with natural antioxidants and microbial properties. I will now add 2 cups of water and mix everything together. This is how it looks like after mixing. I'll now put the mixture on the stove, then let it boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. While it is boiling, I will add some turmeric powder. Boiling the ingredients for 5 to 10 minutes creates a concentrated herbal infusion and helps to release beneficial compounds. This process allows the ingredients to blend together more effectively and creates a richer mixture packed with properties of each ingredient. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. It's valued to support scalp health, reduce irritation, and create an ideal environment for stronger, healthier looking hair. Boiling the ingredients for 5 to 10 minutes creates a concentrated herbal infusion by helping to release all the beneficial compounds. As the ginger, cinnamon, green tea, turmeric, and cloves continue to simmer together, they create a highly concentrated herbal blend designed to support scalp health and nourish the hair from its roots. Each ingredient contributes to its own unique properties, creating a more complete treatment than any single ingredient could ever provide on its own. After taking the pan off the stove and letting it cool down, and allowing the ingredients to continue to infuse with the liquid, I'll be moving on to the next key ingredient of this recipe, which is a red onion. I've already washed it and now I'm peeling it. Once it's peeled, I will place it in the bowl to grate it completely. This is one of the best ways to release all the potent natural juice locked inside this onion. Onion juice has become a staple in many natural hair care routines, and for good reason. It contains sulfur, antioxidants, and a naturally occurring compound that helps support healthy scalp environment. Together, these nutrients help nourish weak follicles, strengthen fragile strands, and support healthier looking hair straight from the roots. I will now grab a bowl and a cheesecloth to separate the solid particles from the liquid. I will make sure to press firmly to strain the mixture to extract every last bit of onion juice, leaving the pulp behind. This is the onion juice after straining. If you want to wake up dormant hair follicles and give your scalp a nutrient-rich boost, this is an important step. Here I have my pan and I'll be straining the herbal serum. This is all the leftover particles. Now let's add it to the onion juice. Together, these ingredients create a powerful foundation for healthier, stronger looking hair. Now it's time to seal everything together with the oils, starting off with castor oil. I'll now add jojoba oil. Next, I'm adding some peppermint oil. And last, I'm adding some argan oil. All of these help to nourish the scalp and lock in moisture, completing this powerful hair growth serum. I will now be using a funnel to pour the serum into this spray bottle, but feel free to use any clean bottle that you have at home. And look at that! This powerful hair growth spray combines nutrient-rich herbs, onion juice, and nourishing oils in one formula designed to support a healthier scalp and stronger, fuller hair. For the best results, apply this to your scalp 3 to 4 times a week and use it consistently as part of your hair care routine. A special thank you to Ida McFarland, my very first channel member. I truly appreciate your support and thank you for being here and helping my channel grow. Before we finish this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I've officially opened my channel memberships. So if you truly enjoy my hair care videos and you want access to my content before everyone else, you can now join and become part of my private family membership. The first membership is called Hair Besties for $5.99 a month, where you get early access to my videos, loyalty badges, custom emojis, and priority replies to all your comments. The next membership is called Dyer Dolls for $7.99 a month, which includes everything from the first level plus exclusive member shoutouts. If you would like to support me and get exclusive access, just go right on my channel and click the join button and it will take you directly to the memberships page for you to check out. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It truly means everything to me and my mom. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!